Hi Dragonflies, it is time for our morning lesson and our book today is Number Skills. We're sticking with the same schedule we do every week and we're going to do a book a day. And so let's go ahead and get started. I believe on this book we left off, and sometimes it's hard to remember if I can't review where we were at. I know we did that. Okay, I believe we are right here, okay? Page 7, and you can see the page number down at the bottom. Okay? If you don't have this in your book, if we already did review that, just go ahead and follow along. It's always good to review because we're going to keep moving forward in these books. The first thing we see on our page is our colorful vowel house. What do you guys do there every time we have a colorful vowel house? Your name. That's going to start your name. Good job. And our instructions today are count the objects and circle the number that tells how many. Okay? So we'll have to count those together. I'm going to give you a few minutes to go ahead and do your name. And remember, you can always pause this video and rewatch it if you need extra time. So your colorful vowel house is your name, and you have your solid lines, your upstairs, your downstairs. And then we stop at the red line. We don't go to the basement line. And your kiddos can tell you all about this. I bet you guys know about our vowel house, right? All right. So the first one is we're going to count the objects. So we have super cute puppies here. And remember what I always said, use a finger or a pencil to keep in track with where you are counting. And count from your right to your left so that you're not going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27. We're going to stay in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And we have the numbers 4, 5, and 6. And if we have 5 puppies here, we want to go ahead and circle the number 5, okay? So this one, the gumdrops, we have numbers 5, 6, and 7. Let's count our gumdrops. Get your finger ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number 5, number 6, number 7, we have 7 gumdrops. Look at this. What are those? Candy bars, maybe? I'm not sure what those are, but we have 3, 4, and 5. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So does 4 match 3? No. Does 4 match 4? Yes. So you guys are going to go ahead and circle that number 4, okay? Uh-oh, we got some school buses here. Now this one you might not even need your finger for. As you get better at counting, you're going to be able to just recognize that this is 3 without even having to count. But we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to go ahead and find your number 3 over here. Can you guys do that and circle that? Okay. Look at that one. You probably don't even have to count. Just automatically your brain's going to say 2. But until you get that good, we're going to count it. 1, 2. And then can you guys find the number 2 over here? Looks like we have the numbers we've been working on, 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to match the number 2 to the 2 bunnies. Then we have some cats with some yarn. We have the numbers 5, 6, and 7. And let's see. Now your brain is going to start doing these countings really well. You're going to be able to see 3 here and 3 here, which automatically equals 6. However, we're going to slow it down and just count with our finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, very good. Again, you can pause this, take your time. If mom and dad are around to help you, they can help you. But it's so easy. All you have to do is count with your finger. And also another way you could do it so that you don't double count is we're going to take our gumdrops here and you can cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That way I know I'm not counting them twice and I'm counting them one at a time, and there are 7. Okay, just a couple tricks for that page. When you get done with that, we're going to turn it over. And you're going to have a page that looks like this. Okay? And that page number is page 8. All right? So, you're going to need, it looks like a red color, a green color, a yellow color. And we're going to be talking about things in order, things inside or outside, first and last, on top and on bottom. Okay, so just an example. Let's take my coffee cup here. Still drinking that coffee. My coffee cup I'm holding up like this. Where is my hand to this coffee cup? Is it on top of the coffee cup? Is it on the side of the coffee cup? Or is it on the bottom of the coffee cup? Or under? Okay, if I were to do on top, it'd be here on the side. So we're going to go through all that with this page. So we're going to look at our first picture right here, okay? We got a teddy bear, a truck, and a toy box. And it says the first instruction is color the one on top red. Which picture is on top? If you got teddy bear, that's right. The teddy bear is on top of the truck and the toys. Very good. So circle that teddy bear red, okay? Circle the one on the bottom, green. Which picture is on the very bottom here? The toy box. The toy box is on the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and color that one green, or circle it, okay? And the one in the middle, in between the top and the bottom, is the truck. And it says to circle the one in the middle, yellow. So you should have 3 colored circles. Perfect. You guys can pause again, take your time, really work on it. We're going to go ahead and keep going with the next one, okay? Circle the child who is after the one taking the drink. So we have our very first girl taking a drink at the drinking fountain. She's first. Then we have second and third. Or first, next, and last. Okay? And this one says to circle the one that comes after the girl taking the drink. So she's right here. The boy immediately after is this one. This one will be the last one if we circled her. But we're doing the one after the girl taking the drink, which is right there. Very good. Okay. Circle each one that is inside. Okay? So we're going to look at the gate here. And which horses are inside the gate? Can you guys figure that out? I bet you can. I see 3 horses that are inside the gate. And you're going to circle those 3. Okay. And then it says you're going to underline each one that is outside. And we have 2 horses that are hanging out outside the gate. And they just want you to put a line under both of those. Boop, boop. Okay. All right. And then at the very bottom, when you get to this point, you're going to trace and write. Remember, you're always going to start with your red dot, okay, on your vowel house lines. And then you're just going to follow that. And then when the tracing is over, it wants you to do it by yourself, okay? Just like in class. Just do those by yourself. And we're going to stop with that for right now. So you are going to work on page 7, counting how many, and page 8, top, bottom, middle, first, after, inside, outside. And then we'll meet up again and we can kind of go through this. If you have any questions or concerns, just comment below. But good luck with this, guys. And we'll do a little bit more here in a little bit time. Bye.